In this video, I'm going to show how AdWordAccelerator integrates nicely with a very popular stats tool called StatsJunky. Now, StatsJunky is a really amazing tool if you want to track your PPC spending data across the major PPC engines, and if you want to also track your affiliate earnings across a variety of affiliate networks. So for example, it says down here they support it's about 300 affiliate programs and shopping carts, and they also support AdWords, MSN Ad Center, Yahoo Search Marketing, Facebook, and other PPC engines. And what's great about this tool is it'll combine your income and expenses together, allowing you to track things down to the keyword level so you can see where you're earning and where you're losing your money. Now, to show you how this works with AdWordAccelerator, I went ahead and selected a campaign from a CPA network called Revenue Loop. And the campaign I chose was Free Education Guide. And all I did was add a couple of keywords up here. I added free education and education grants. I went ahead and analyzed those keywords, and I got back a lot of other related keywords through the lateral tab. And by selecting all of these, I have all my keywords combined down below. And if I scroll down, I can see there's a lot of other education-related scholarship keywords and such, which I could also promote back up top here and further analyze. And if you're not familiar with this, you can watch the quick start video and the keyword basket videos at AdWordAccelerator.com. Now, after I did all this, I went to the Refine tab and I turned filtering on. So I'm only going to show keywords that have at least 10 clicks a day. And I took all of these keywords here, actually not all, but I took a lot of them, and I pushed them over into the Estimates and Competition tool. Next, I set my max CPC to be $1 and analyze these keywords, which cause AdWordAccelerator to go out and generate keywords for each of these ad groups and get traffic estimates and the competing AdWords ads for them. Now, once that was done, I went ahead and went to the Competition tab, sorted by number of affiliates, and this shows the number of direct linking affiliates. So here's the offer I'm promoting, Free Education Guide, and 2 other people in AdWords are promoting it right now for these keywords that I sampled. So if I click on View Ads and Keywords, I can see the ad copy they're using and their affiliate IDs here in the destination URL. Now, I would also go ahead and look at some of these other competitors with strong CTR scores, meaning their ads are performing better, and I might get some ideas for ad copy. So for example, this might be a good ad that I could try or get ideas from, at least for my ad. And you can see there's other interesting ideas here for this campaign I'm promoting. So once that was done, I went ahead and pushed save. I saved all these ad groups over to the campaigns tool. And here's my campaign I called StatsJunky Test. I have the 22 ad groups from the Estimates and Competition tool. And if I select all of them, I have all my keywords combined down below. Now, I already assigned text ad for these ad groups. So for example, I used ad copy that was like this, with my affiliate ID here. And now, here's where the integration with StatsJunky comes in. In order to track things down to the keyword level, you need to assign sub-IDs to your keywords in your destination URLs. Now, this is a standard thing across many affiliate and CPA networks where you use sub-IDs to help you track which keywords converted into leads and sales. So what I'll do here is select all of my keywords down below, all 179 of them across all these ad groups. I'll click on Set Tracking Code, and I already have my destination URL filled in with my affiliate code just to save a little time. Now I'll choose Track Keywords. You could also track the campaigns and ad groups if you like. And what I'll do here is type in sub-ID 5. Now, Revenue Loop, like many other CPA and affiliate networks, allow up to 5 sub-IDs for tracking. Now, I just chose 5 because that's an easy way to do it. And here's the important part. I'll go ahead and type in SJ for StatsJunky, followed by the letter Z. And now, I'll go ahead and assign 5 placeholders for a counter, because the StatsJunky tracking codes require 8 characters here. So SJ is 2, Z is 3, then you have 5 more. And so if I press OK, what this will do, let me just shrink this down a bit here. AdWordAccelerator, actually I'll just move this whole thing over, make it easier. AdWordAccelerator will assign a unique tracking code to each keyword. And when StatsJunky runs, it'll be able to find these sub-ID tracking codes and merge them together with the keyword data it pulls down from your AdWords account, along with the data it pulls down from Revenue Loop. And this will end up showing you which keywords are making profits and which ones are losing money. So after this, I uploaded this data into my AdWords account using the AdWords editor, and you can watch the Campaigns tool video on our website to learn more about that. Now let me switch to StatsJunky and show you what things look like after running for a couple days. In StatsJunky, I have my Revenue Loop campaign and an AdWords account. And you can see here I've earned $216 after a few days for Revenue Loop, which isn't bad. And I've spent almost $300. Now there's one thing, I didn't really do this as best I could have. I have other campaigns running in this AdWords account, so the fact that this is negative is a bit misleading here. Well, an easy way to solve that is to go to the PPC Stats tab, and here I have filtering turned on. I filtered out all my campaigns except for the campaign I created, which is called StatsJunky Test. And here you can see the ad groups and keywords I've created in AdWordAccelerator. And if I went ahead and showed you the destination URL, you can actually see all the destination URLs that I just generated with the set tracking code feature in AdWordAccelerator with the unique sub-ID StatsJunky tracking codes. Now, StatsJunky every hour logs into my AdWords account. It pulls down my impressions, clicks, CTR scores, and the cost for all my keywords. And it also logs into my Revenue Loop account, pulls down the conversions and revenue, and it shows me how much I've profited and the percent profit. So what I can do is sort by profit this way. So you can see these keywords here have a high profit percentage, so they've made money so far. Overall, I'm negative because if I scroll down, I can see the keywords towards the bottom have not gotten any conversions, and here they're getting clicks though. So I've spent money in AdWords but earned no money in Revenue Loop. So what I could then do is take this data, go back to my AdWords account, and start removing those keywords that are losing money, or modifying the ads, or split test things, perhaps lowering my bid price for them. In other words, work at optimizing them based on the information I'm seeing from StatsJunky. So this is a really powerful time-saving tool because it really shows you the bottom line for your campaigns and affiliate programs you're running. And not only that, but you can use StatsJunky to track other types of business outside of affiliate marketing. For example, StatsJunky will track PPC programs such as AdWords, Business.com, Facebook, Microsoft Ad Center, Yahoo Search Marketing. It'll also log into One Shopping Cart, Infusionsoft, and a lot of other affiliate networks. And it can pull down that data and show you your earnings versus your losses. And if you want to get fancy, you can go to options and you can add some of your own custom income or expenses. So for example, if you want to include your web hosting fees, payment gateway fees, and whatever else it costs you to run your business each month, you can factor that in. So each day you can have StatsJunky show you the bottom line in terms of your profits and losses. So to sum all this up, StatsJunky can help you to increase your profits by allowing you to discover which keywords are making or losing you money. It can save you time by automatically downloading info you want to track, and it'll track your earnings and spending across multiple PPC engines and affiliate networks. So anybody who finds themselves logging in each day into their different PPC engines or affiliate networks, this is definitely a tool you want to look at. It'll save you a lot of time in helping you to discover better ways to optimize your PPC campaigns. So to learn more, click the link below this video and check it out.